Vaishnavi Di and Anya Di speech. I would like thank both of them. I have a quote. Population growth is the primary source of environment damage. I would like to I would to call Surbi Di of class 9th and Ananya Di of class 12th speak favor and Anya Di will speak in against the bill.
Bole. Good morning to all present here. I should be of class 9th standing in front of you to say some lines on the given topic, the Uttar Pradesh population control, stabilization and welfare bill. I am the favor of this bill. We all know that India is the second largest populated country in the world and China is the first largest populated country in the world. But the area of China is bigger than the area of India. But the India has more people. But the place where we have to live is very small. So if the population is increasing like this, we have to live. We will live a congested life in a small place. If we were to estimate, almost 17% of the total population lives in India alone. And 1/6 of India's population lives in Uttar Pradesh. About 220 million is the current population of Uttar Pradesh. So the government of Uttar Pradesh has drafted a bill to control this problem. According to this bill, the people who will follow the two-child policy will provide all the government welfare schemes. The people who will follow the two-child policy will provide two additional increments. 3% increase in the employer contribution fund, and the female government employees there will be 12 months of maternity leave with full salary allowances. Subsidies will be given in the purchase of houses and rebates on utility charge. The people who follow the two-child policy but were not in government sector, the draft proposed rebates. The draft says that rebates on water, electricity bills, home taxes and house loans, etc. The people who will follow that, the people who have one child, the draft says that free education up to graduation level, free healthcare insurance to the child till 20 years and preference to the child in admission. The people who is below the poverty line and has only one child, if it is a boy, an amount of 80,000 will be given to the couple. If it is a girl, an amount of 1 lakh rupees will be given to the couple. These are all the advantages of the bill. There are more advantages than disadvantages in this bill. There are also restrictions in the bills, but restrictions are very important in any bill. If restrictions are not in this bill, then any people will not follow it and take it as a simple thing and will not follow it. And many people are saying that awareness is very important for the bills. Creating awareness is too beneficial for our country, but awareness is not so important. If awareness has created, then people take it as a simple thing and do not follow it. It is just like crying in the wilderness, means भैंस के आगे बीन बजाना. So restrictions are very necessary. Today population is increasing. If population is increasing. If the population is increasing like this, the people will so much, but the resources will less. Increasing population is the root of all problems in our country. Today's all the things are expensive due to increasing population. Increasing population leads to deforestation, danger to wildlife and pollution. Deforestation causes cutting of trees, which as all living beings directly or indirectly depend on plants for exist on the earth. And pollution causes many diseases spread in our country, and danger to wildlife causes many birds and animals to be extinct position. These all things are not good. So controlling population is a good decision of UP government. I really support this bill. As BJP, in my views, BJP always take good decision. So I support this bill. Thanks.
Good morning to all present here. I am Ananya standing in front of you to say something about the given topic, the Uttar Pradesh Population Stabilization Welfare Bill. I am against of this bill. I think this bill is not good. My partner Survi said only advantage of this bill. She did not say any disadvantage of bill. Now I am going to tell about this. The people who do not follow the population two child policy, not provided government policy, bar on contesting election to local bodies. We all know that our constitution consists of 6 fundamental rights, in which right to equality is also a right. In every people have equal right on everything. Then it is after passing this bill, it is necessary to remove right to equality from our constitution. Bar on contesting election on local bodies. It means the people or leaders who do not follow the two child policy do not take part in any type of elections. The people who do not follow two child policy is treated as a criminal. We all know that criminals have also constitutional right, and my partner also said that distinctions are important. I want to ask that why distinctions are important. It is an indirect way of torture to public to follow the policy. It is not a good thing. And the most other effect of this bill is abortion cases are increased, because mostly people who live in India who follows two child policy want son and do not want girl child, and abort girl child again and again. At time will become in future, then only few girls left in India. It is very bad for our country, and suicide cases are also increased in India, because many poor people want more and more children to help them to maintain their families. But if they follow two child policy, if they take a loan to take a high amount of loan, and they do not able to pay this loan on time, and they find only one option, that is suicide. It is not a good thing. It is not a good thing. My partner also said that advantages are more than disadvantages. It is an electoral propaganda. It is an electoral propaganda. To take the votes of the citizens. It is just like a snare means jal to trap all the citizens. Population control bill is an electoral propaganda. BJP looks at everything from political angle. They just want to win elections and do not take a decision in the interest of any people. Since assembly elections are coming, if the state government should be ban marriages if it wants to stabilize the rising population. The China was encouraging its people to having more children, because at time China started one child policy. As a result, there were only old people left in China, and a big shortage of adults. China increasing its citizens to having more children, but India is just stopping to having people more children. Then I ask, if there is a war, from where we get men to fight? The laws are not making it to doing laws should be not made for doing politics. It is not made for doing laws are not made for doing politics. The population would not have been too high today. My partner also said that awareness is not important. I think awareness is very important for us, because in Swasthya Abhiyan awareness worked very well. The role of awareness in this population bill is also worked very well. For this reason, I do not agree with this bill. Thanks and have a nice day.